Hey everybody! Wow, this is our first day back out here on the homestead. Today I believe is April 4th, and we're going to start putting the deck down on the cabin that we've been building. Last fall we got all the floor joists put in place, and we've gotten everything we need. At least I think we have everything we need to get this done. Hopefully we'll get it done this weekend. You can see we've got the plywood up here, and I've got it covered in case it rains. I wanted to go with what they call a dry plywood, but with the lumber prices being what they are right now, it was just a little more than what I wanted to come up with. So we ended up going with a OSB. Not really like I like to build with that stuff, but I guess we're going to use it now. We're going to cover it and keep it dry, and we're going to hope for the best. I could have just milled boards. That was one possibility that we considered. But being that it's a subfloor and that they were going to shrink a little bit, we really didn't want the gaps, and I really don't want to wait for this to dry to you know, loosen them up and tighten them up again. So we decided to go with plywood, and I want most of our lumber resources to go towards studs for the walls anyway. Well, we're going to start by putting down what people like to call bubble foil. I guess the actual name is Reflectic. This is like it's like an insulation, and it has like an aluminum foil cover on it here with air bubbles inside of it. And this works good because rodents don't like to chew on that aluminum. I guess it bothers their teeth. They don't like the feel of it, so they kind of leave it alone, which is a good thing out here in the woods. And it gives you a little bit of R value. People who use it say they're really happy with it, and it keeps the floors warm. So
just make sure that you cover your floor with some kind of plastic, so this doesn't collect moisture in between the plywood and this stuff before you get your shell all put together. Yeah. That's a problem for some people. What we're going to do is staple this up here at the top and just roll it out. Unfortunately, our store only carried this in 25-foot rolls. On the website they showed they had 100-foot rolls, but not in the store. And unfortunately, we've got a 26-foot distance we have to traverse, so there's going to be some seams at the bottom. We're going to duct tape it together with some weather-resistant Gorilla Tape. And I'll have to edit this part out. I don't remember what I was going to say. But, oh, I can say. We're deciding to run the strip of it down this way and have the one seam at the bottom. That way there'll be fewer places on the underside that will be like a taped together joint, so less likely for things to get up under it. Insects and rodents and so on and so forth. Guess we'll probably do the one staple and then square it up.
Travis, why don't you go hold that corner so the wind doesn't catch it.
Do we want to unroll the whole length, or do we want to just go to the middle and let it be?
Well, you're going to have another seam if you cut it in the middle.
No, not cut it. I'll just wait until we get further on down the line with the sheeting. Just roll it out.
I don't know.
Well, look at that. They said it was a 25-foot roll, but
I gave you a little extra.
we made it to the end.
It's going to be perfect.
Hopefully they'll all be like that.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Because that's right. Like there's a 1/8 of an inch hanging off on this side.
Wow.
Hopefully we'll be lucky. It'll be the same on all of them.
Weird, huh? Brought that other one in a little bit. You could fall right on there. Yeah, you bring that in. So this one's shorter.
Technically, as it's sold to us, it's supposed to be only 25.
Maybe we should have someone hold it and don't staple it until we have it all rolled out.
Yeah. Okay.
So how far do you want me to come?
Make sure it's on the one board.
Alright, that's good.
Alright. You want to scooch it that way a touch? Or is it? It's good.
It's right up to it, don't
Okay.
overlap.
Alright, nope, you're good.
Okay, Travis, can I help me grab this?
You want to get that?
You can stay right
Actually, you know what? Why don't you grab on that end and I'll walk backwards.
This one? The other end?
The other end. I'll walk backwards.
I forgot you're doing down here.
This is a heavy piece of cardboard.
Pretty much.
That corner you're holding is go here. And this is all mud.
The logs don't help.
I guess we don't need the stapler. I know he's super. Gotta come this way a touch. Mike, why don't you come down here? Grab it from Travis.
Yeah.
Goes together a lot easier than dry.
Where's the fireplace going to be? Over here?
This is going to be the bathroom right here.
Where's the fireplace?
Right where that stick is. We may or may not end up building a chimney right there.
Well, how would you know?
We're not sure what kind of fireplace we're going to end up with. Building a chimney is some expensive business. Why don't you do the same thing we did last time, hand it right off to him.
How's that over there?
I need you to bring it in. Can you bring it in? That's out. No, you did the complete opposite of what I wanted.
I couldn't get under it. Which way you need the sheet?
I want you to do it that way. Let go. Let go. I want it to go so grab in the middle. Pull towards you. Perfect. You got the square for us? Hey Travis, you want to go grab a couple of the nails and the hammer? Just with this one. This is so uneven here. Do you want to see if we can kind of just square up on this? Like that? 'Cause that's...
Yeah, yes.
So if we're squaring up on that,
Looks good.
just give me a simple little tap. Real gentle, like with your, not the, like. It's on. Yeah, that's good. Oh, Travis, you hold this? So get down there and help push it out. there. And hopefully when you guys are holding it, it won't go anywhere. Do you also want to staple this?
Any cleats on it. See, staples are good.
Folding the fleet on.
You don't want to do the whole thing?
Not at once.
You guys gotta get on your hands and knees and rub it.
Oh, I got enough to mount that in.
Can't say I'm too impressed with that stuff.
Well, it's not supposed to be a. You gotta keep it tight, okay.
Not really doing it. I don't even straighten it out. So I can just lean on this.
I'm getting it on straight line.
That's good enough. Fair enough.
Is that better than duct tape?
Better than regular duct tape.
We're spraying this Flex Seal. We put it between the sheets of plastic and we're spraying it over the top of that cleat and the duct tape that we put down there. I don't know how well it's going to work, but we saw this at Home Depot and decided to pick it up and give it a try. Can't say I'm too impressed with it at this point, but I don't know. See how it works. Well, it feels good to get this part of the project done. We got that deck all done, got the plastic on, and next thing we got to do is start milling studs for our walls. Now there is a possibility that we're going to get a little bit of condensation underneath this plastic, but once the trees leave out, it's pretty shady in here, so I don't think that's going to be a big problem.
That'll be a couple weeks yet. But the main concern was keeping the rainwater from leaking in between the cracks and pooling up underneath the bubble wrap in between the sheets of this OSB. And that would just be a disaster.
The last thing I want to do is have to crawl under here with a utility knife and cut my bubble foil to get the water out. So we're hoping this will protect it. And once we get the walls and the roof up, you know, and this is dried in, we'll just go around with a utility knife and we'll just cut this out.
Hopefully this Flex Seal works. I haven't tried it before.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes.
Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.